Hello everybody, welcome to Amy Stockberger Real Estate Emerge. I am your host Logan Stockberger. Please be sure to like and follow our Facebook page so we can keep you up to date on new listings, open houses, valuable programs, giveaways, and so much more. Let's take a look at our featured listing this week, 47157 South Clubhouse Road, listed by Amy Stockberger. This luxurious walkout ranch situated on 1+ acre lot on Baker's Crossing Golf Course is a must-see. Here are 3 reasons you should buy this home. Number 1, phenomenal open floor plan with gorgeous cabinets, granite countertops, a regular center island, and a stone tile backsplash. Number 2, gigantic master on the main with tray ceilings, huge walk-in closet, and a master bath with heated tile floors, custom tile shower, jacuzzi tub, and a desirable double vanity. Number 3, the lower level stuns with convenient built-ins in the family room and wet bar, along with 3 oversized beds and 2 additional full baths in the lower. Listed at $825,000, contact Amy Stockberger at 605-731-9597 to see your future home today. Now let's take a look at some of our new listings this week. First up, we have 404 South Country Club Avenue, listed by Amy Stockberger. This thoughtfully designed beauty in coveted Brandon neighborhood is a gorgeous home. Here are 3 reasons why you should buy this home. Number 1, gorgeous kitchen with cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and custom stone masonry walls. Number 2, it has a dreamy master suite with sliding glass doors leading out to a private deck, a striking master bath with glass surround shower, and a clawfoot tub with a huge walk-in closet. Number 3, the lower level boasts a regal full-service wet bar and enormous family room with stone fireplace surrounded and built-in shelving, along with 2 additional bedrooms and a 3rd bathroom with double vanity. Listed at $435,000, contact Amy at 605-731-9597 to schedule your showing today. Next up, we have 1200 South Dakota Avenue, also listed by Amy Stockberger. This meticulously maintained Brandon home on a corner lot with desirable covered front porch and private fully fenced-in yard. Here are 3 reasons why you should buy this home. Number 1, the eat-in kitchen features tons of cabinets, counter space including the spacious breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. Number 2, it offers an open floor plan and vaulted ceilings on the main, extended into upper level, which boasts the master bedroom, 2nd sizable bedroom, and a full bathroom. Number 3, the lower level features 2 additional bedrooms, a 2nd full bath, and loads of storage space. Listed at $297,500, contact Amy at 605-731-9597 for more information. To view the rest of the listings we have this week, visit us at findahomeinsiouxfalls.com or call us at our office at 605-376-6780 and we'd be happy to help. At Amy Stockberger Real Estate, we are our clients' lifetime home support team. We make sure our clients are taken care of before, during, and after the sale all the time. To ensure our clients have all the best resources available to them, we have the Home Support Team, a partnership of reputable businesses right here in Sioux Falls that care about you and your home. This week's featured Home Support Team partner is EcoFresh Carpet Cleaning in Sioux Falls. EcoFresh Carpet Cleaning uses a low moisture cleaning process that dries in 2 hours or less. They use aqueous oxygen to deodorize and sanitize your carpet area and rugs, leaving your home clean and naturally fresh. Their chemistry is odorless, plant-based, and hypoallergenic. They provide carpet and area rug cleaning for residential and commercial clients in Sioux Falls and the surrounding areas. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. We specialize in connecting buyers and sellers through bold marketing and strategic advertising. You deserve the best real estate team in South Dakota. Thank you for choosing Amy Stockberger Real Estate. See ya!